All right, so welcome. This is a short video tutorial. I'm going to walk you through how to understand this music theory puzzle dealing with intervals. Remember, we are dealing with the distance between two notes. So if note 1 is here and note 2 is here, we have to count the distance, the space between note 1 and note 2. And we always count the first note. So let's swing over to the homework assignment so I can help better explain. Here we have the music theory puzzle intervals, okay? And so the instructions is asking us to add the intervals of each pair of notes. Write the letter next to each answer on the blank spaces which correspond to each solution in order to find the answer to the question. Now, it can be a little complicated, which is why I'm going to do this video to help all the students out there. So let's look at this uh, question here, question number 1 I will call. So we see this note and we know this is note 1. Remember, you have to count the first note. And then there would be another space note. So every note is going to alternate line, space, line, space. So you have a line note here, that's note 1. And then you have to pretend that there would be another note there, which would be a space note, which would make that number 2. And then the next note is this note on the first line of the staff, and that is now line number 3 or note number 3, and this would be a third. So I will put a third here, and then so that's plus 3 plus. Now let's figure out here. So this first note is 1. We count that as 1, and then the next note is 2. So this interval would be a second. And of course, I'm writing on a computer screen and it's not easy. So a third, 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you come down here, and if you see a 5, you put the letter E, you put the letter E, you put the letter E, okay? And then you go on to the next one and you continue on until you figure out what's a conductor's favorite vegetable. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, just send me an email. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.